next, we're going to get into this month's question of the week. One that we may have dove into previously, but this question was posed to me today. And I think that this specific question is the reason that we're going to land this client, is because at the moment I was quite passionate about it. I had just a few minutes prior to this investor calling in. I had a discussion with someone who had a similar question. So I had the mindset along it anyway. And then by the time I picked up this phone call for this investor, I was in the zone and really nailing it. So I wanted to pose it here because it's arguably one of the most common questions that we get from new investors or even experienced investors when they're searching out a property management company. And it's a stressful time because you don't want to make the wrong decision, primarily because a lot of these property management companies don't allow you just to walk away, right? That you're locked into a term length, or you have fees that you have to pay if you desire to walk away, which I will remind you for the time being, Red Door doesn't have that. One way that we kind of guarantee our services is we don't lock you into a long-term agreement. We want a long-term relationship with you, but we want that long-term relationship with you when you want it as well. So we simply rely on our ability to provide good service for you to stay in business with us. It just requires a simply 30 days notice if you ever want to terminate your contract with Red Door, which I know you never will. So what we are going to get into, the first question, here we go. Well, the first question that most people ask, rather, is what sets you apart from other property management companies? Now, it's a very simple question. There's nothing wrong with that question either. You can even ask it that way. It's the answers that you need to be paying close attention to. And I'm so passionate about this, so I never know really where to start. But there's three things that I really want to discuss here. Now, I'll get into number one. You want to know that you're working with an expert in the area. And that's one reason that Mike and I started doing this podcast, is that we wanted people to easily find that we are obviously the experts in property management here in the Indianapolis area, in Indianapolis and surrounding suburbs. We want to display that for you. We want to provide you information, but most importantly, we wanted to display to any investor that might be in search of property management services that we are the experts. We know what's going on economically. We know what's going on with the numbers. We know how to provide you updates, and all of that is on display. Find us on our YouTube channel. If you're watching this, I'm sure you have already. Red Door Property Management. Boom. If that doesn't display that you're working with experts in the area, I don't know what does. Number 2 and 3 rather is two things that we really focus on here at Red Door, because we know for a fact that it's going to separate us from the competition, because we know the number 2 pain points that most people develop when they're working with a property management company. And that's dedication to responding and transparent communication when it comes to handling maintenance concerns. And that the last one is the dedication to constant and transparent overall communication. And that comes with regards to maintenance, that comes with regards to onboarding your property, that comes to when setting your property up to properly be marketed, and in everything in between. So it's answering the phone when it rings, it's responding to your questions when you call, it's dedication to communication and handling maintenance concerns in a timely manner. And I know that we've talked about maintenance concerns many times before in this podcast. But handling those maintenance concerns quickly and efficiently and transparently will absolutely affect your tenant retention rate. So what sets Red Door apart from other property management companies? It's those 3 major things that are on display for you all over the internet, because we've made it widely available. Mike, what are your thoughts on that? What sets you apart? What's the question? Any way you would improve the question? Any thoughts you got?
No, I mean, gosh, I could go on for days about how I think we excel, but I think you're right in that communication is the differentiating factor. We really try to be thoughtful about it. I mean, how often do you and me have a conversation, Chris? And it's like, well, are we overkilling it? Like, are we sending too many texts, too many emails to these owners? And we said, well, we'd rather have a complaint that I'm like, stop contacting me.
Yeah, which we did have that recently. I'll be completely transparent. We absolutely did. Yeah,
we did. No, but it's something we're really thoughtful about. I mean, we're not perfect, of course. We're not, right? We're gonna mess up. It's property management. There's so many variables. There's so many things that happen. Yeah, it's going to happen. We're going to screw up, but if we do, we own up to it. But again, the thing is just being transparent, being proactive with your communication. I think that's the biggest differentiator, and that it does go over to maintenance as well. It carries over into maintenance because that is, other than communication, I think everyone's biggest pain point with property management, with owning a rental home, is maintenance. So it's really just about communication, and that's we're thoughtful about it. We've invested so much time, money, and effort into softwares, processes. I mean, we spend a lot of time and effort on trying to constantly improve our communication with both our owners and our tenants.
And make sure that that communication is easily digestible to our clients, and that's using systems like Loom and video software, where we provide marketing updates to our owners to make it as simple and as transparent as absolutely possible through all of these processes. And again, on maintenance, that's taking photos when necessary and before and after when necessary. It's all of those areas that are so important, and so many property management companies don't have any of these processes in place. All the processes that we've developed over the last couple of years, down to the minute detail to ensure that it's as perfect as it possibly can for the time that we're currently in. A lot of these property management companies haven't even scratched the surface, let alone as deep in it as we are.
Yeah, I think for me, I love, I love video. You love video. We've really embraced video. I think the use of Loom really, one, it's so easily consumed, I think, by the owners and by the tenants. And it's like, it's so much a better form of communication. Like for all of our new owners, when we have our first move in, I'll do a quick little Loom for them. Personally, I will do a Loom and I'll just say, hey, I want to go over your owner statement just so you kind of understand we have some money coming in, some money going out, explain the security deposit, explain all that kind of stuff. I can get that done in 2 minutes, 3 minutes, but you can get so much information through there. I just don't think anybody else is doing that kind of stuff.
No, they aren't. They absolutely aren't. And now, see, I'm going to go down a rabbit hole. And so if you're watching this, feel free to skip 30 seconds forward. But so as you know, my family is heavily involved in soccer community here, and we are now working with the rec program here with my daughter's club. And long story short is the way that they communicate, right? And that's what we really focus on, have for years now, on how to best communicate as effectively as possible from my location to yours. And Loom is absolutely perfect. And now I'm slowly converting them. Like when you have instructions to provide, you've got just shoot a Loom, and I know what's going on in 30 seconds. Where every other form of communication to me seems so archaic.
It's like, so ridiculous. Like, who types anymore?
I got to respond to you 3 times before I understand the information that I could have understood in 30 seconds. So yes.
Okay, one more just to emphasize that point. I did the same thing to my son's counselor. We were trying to sign up for something, and the website wasn't working. So I just shot a quick little Loom, right? Because that's what I do all day, every day. And so, hey, I'm having an issue here with the thing. This is like grayed out. And I just kind of showed it. And I sent it to her. Her mind was blown. She was like, oh my God, I love that video. Thank you so much. Like she had never seen anything like it. It was like, I blew her socks off. It was unbelievable.
Yeah. And that's just one program that we use to improve our communication with our owners. So and that I know that no one else is using. So all right, there you go. We've beat it to death. That's what separates Red Door apart. But it's important that when you're asking that question, and that's the point of this segment, is that when you're asking that question, because you will absolutely, if you're not, you should. You need to know what separates one property manager from another. But this segment is not so much on the question and changing the question, but it's on understanding the answer. That's going to help you understand whether you're hiring the right property manager or not. And so if I was in the market, these are the answers that I'd be looking for. So that's going to wrap. Unless you got anything to add, that's going to wrap up our this month's question of the week.
No, I'm good.
All right.